A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you about a love spell that is very powerful, tremendous and brilliant spell for everyone, for all lovers, and they can get their love back in your life, or they can get their desired love by doing this spell, by doing this method. This is very powerful method and accurate method. With that, every of your lover will come back in your life, whoever he is and how far he is living from you. It doesn't matter for this spell. To begin this spell, we have to take full concentration of this video, and the one more thing, you have to take these things with you when you are going to start this spell. You have to take a black marker, a 1 lemon, 4 cloves and 1 hanky. These things are required for this spell. To start this spell, you have to know the name of that person. For example, the person name is, I'm showing you how you have to write the name. Like for example, the person name is Tom, and your name is Maria. And you have to make a sign of plus in this, like this. And after that, you have to make a heart on this lemon, like this. After that, you have to put 4 cloves into this lemon, like this. After that, you have to close your hand like this. You have to keep up this side where you write the name of that person or your lover, and you have to close your hand like this, and you have to turn like this and say Abu, Wadu, Mary, Tom, Abu, Wadu, Rani. And you have to do like this: Abu, Wadu, Mary, Tom, Mary, Ryan. So you have to do these words for 21 times. After you see, you have to do this. You have to keep your hand like this, and you have to keep this lemon like this. And after that, you have to open this hanky. And you have to keep this lemon into this hanky, like this. And you have to keep this lemon a very private place, very secret place, where no one can touch it or see it. You have to keep this lemon for a week. After that, you will see the result. The person will come in your life, and he will do whatever you want and whatever you're looking for, and he will be in your full of control. With that, you can get your love, your wife, your ex, your dream girl, dream boy, whoever it is, you can get by doing this spell. This is very powerful and magical spell. You have to do this if you want to get your love back. Thank you.